Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you are gonna do is go into your Play Store and look for the Snapchat application. Once you find it, just have to tap on it and make sure that's updating. And if it's not, just do it because new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Snapchat, and this applies to you as well if you are an apply user or any other software user. So once you do that, what you have to do is open up the Snapchat application and go into the chat. You have to tap at the chat option that is just beside the camera at the bottom of the screen. When you get there, you see there this is a lot of conversation going on. You just have to tap on one of it. You just see that there's this chat, this I have saved, so you just tap on it. When you tap on it and you do it like delete, so eventually that chat would be deleted. So if you want to delete it, you just tap on it and you see that it has been deleted. And if you want to delete a chat that has been sent by somebody else and you want to remove it just hold on it and you can unsave it. And once you unsave it, go back and you just refresh it. You see that the chat would be disappeared in no time. So this was the process by which you can delete saved messages on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.